Hey friends, if you wish to search for online templates in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now the first question is, why do we even need online templates? So here's the thing, let me ask you to create a resume. Even if you are an expert in Microsoft Word, you would still need quite a while to create a resume. And if you're an amateur, it would be very difficult to create a professional one. So click on File and then select New, and you'll find all the templates here. So if you want some business related template like a report, or this thing, something about professional services that you wish to sell, or let's say that you need to create a resume, simply click on this and you have countless formats here, like countless formats. They actually sell these resume formats online, and I'm like, why do you need to buy it from there when you already have them? If you wish to write a letter, we have the format for a letter here. And then if you wish to create a flyer, then we have countless formats of flyers here. Compare this with Canva, I think we have a little more than them. Okay, so anything that works, anything that can be done in an A4 size sheet is all as a template here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video. We will help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.